Welcome to everyone and good morning. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Hassanullah Khan, Climate Smart of Agriculture Lab, Department of Agroforestry and Environmental Science, Faculty of Agriculture, Sylhet Agriculture University, Sylhet. Co-author Anazullah Khan, Department of Mathematics, Faculty of Science, Jashore University of Science and Technology, Jashore, Bangladesh. Before starting my presentation, I would like to convey my best regards to honorable committee members of ICBE in Sweden, respected researcher, doctorate scholar, and the audience for giving myself such a nice opportunity to present my research work in front of you. Today, my presentation title is The Impact of COVID-19 Pandemic Threats on Agriculture Sector. Topics are discussed later are introduction, objectives, materials, methods, results, discussion, and conclusion. Now I am starting my presentation. The viral diseases are very harmful effect in the world people from 2001 to 2020. The human novel coronavirus COVID-19 was initially identification in Wuhan, China in last December 2019. It is circulated among animal and human. This picture about COVID-19 which I discuss later. The COVID-19 disease mass identical with SARS and MERS virus. In case of SARS, it is 88% matching. In case of MERS, it is 50% matching. That's why the COVID-19 also called SARS coronavirus disease 2. Host of the viral diseases are cattle, bird, bats, rodent, and various wild animals who are carrying SARS coronavirus in Fujian, China during 2002 to 2003. Bat, seabirds, camel were MERS coronavirus disease during 2012 to 2030 in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. In case of COVID-19, it is initially identified in Wuhan, China. Now the research scholar, doctorate, microbiologists are trying to identify the right host of COVID-19. There is one picture about the host of viral diseases. This picture tells about us the common symptom of the COVID-19 disease. The common symptoms are fever, headache, dry cough, pneumonia, nasal congestion, shortness of breathing, kidney failure, even death. This picture tells about the structure of coronavirus disease. The shape of coronavirus disease is like a crown. Crown means corona. It contains RNA and protein. The proteins are three types: membrane protein, spike protein, and envelope protein. The classification of coronavirus. The coronavirus has four genera: alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. Beta contains SARS coronavirus disease and MERS coronavirus disease. This slide is very important for this presentation. Most of the agriculture, crops, fruits, animals, etc. When we selected 50 farmers, all the farmers said yes, yield is more comparatively the previous year. But the farmers are not happy. In lockdown condition, the farmers suffer so much, and the production cost is increased. Also, when they sell their agricultural products, they also suffer. In this picture, we can see it is our national fruit tree. In this year, huge production observed of mango in the selected area. Objective of the study to investigate about the COVID-19, the effect on agriculture, the effect on food market, the effect on animal market. Materials methods of the study. The study area is Uchakila Ishwarganj Mymensingh, Bangladesh. Question based survey is our study design during July to August 2020. In this picture, you can see the red portion. It is our selected area for this study. Of the farmer, we selected 50 farmers for questioning about COVID-19 and agriculture. 2 youngers, 5 middles, and 4 older farmers about us to answer all the questions. The 6 older farmers, about 40 age, they are agreed to answering about our question. 2 farmers answering all the question, but 4 farmers said only the economic status. In case of first group, 18 farmers answering all the question. In case of second groups, 14 farmers answering all the question. Total 34% are answering all the question. To assess the current state of the impact on agriculture sector, we ask some question about COVID-19 effect on agriculture. All the information collected from the farmer. It is a sample of question. We also asked question about food marketing, animal marketing, lockdown effect, and food security. Results of the study: yield of agriculture product, the rice, the fruit, the animal yield positive comparatively previous years, but the cost is high because the lockdown condition they are not buying the labor to harvest the agriculture product in lockdown condition. Ranking of agriculture product of Bangladesh in the world. Hilsha, it is our national fish. It is first ranking position in the world. Fish and jute, it is second position in the world. Rice and vegetable, it is third position in the world. Potato and mango, it is seventh position in the world. In case of rice, more than 70% land are cultivated in our country. Agriculture product. The price of rice, fruit, animal negative comparatively previous year, and also loss is high because lockdown condition the traders are not come to buy agriculture product. Homemade product, the cake, fruit, animal and others means vegetables, fruits, meats, etc. Cake, fruits, animals and others are increasing, but cost is low in case of fruit, cakes and animal. We ask question, why cost is low? The farmer said that the cake, fruit, animal produced in our home, but if we buy from local market, the price is high and also bad for health. The other cost is high. Why other cost is high? They said that if they buy the vegetables, fruits, meats, etc. in the market, they will earn more money. Discussion of the study. What is the first step to overcome this problem? They said that use the fallow land, home garden, and rare domestic animal. Also use the roadside land. What's about the market policy? In this situation, we avoid the market. And all the farmers said that we go to the market and take necessary things and go back home. What's about the smallholder farmers? The smallholder farmers take sub loan from the government and non-government organization. Our government already announcement about special issue for the farmer. FAO should be taken necessary step to overcome this problem. FAO should take action about global food trade and global food price. If the trade and price are okay, the world people will face no problem in security. This picture tells us about preventive measures of human. In this situation, we wash hands with soap and water at least 20 seconds, especially after going to the bathroom, before eating and after rubbing nose, mouth, eyes. If soap and water are not available, we use 60% alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Also, about preventive measure of human. We avoid close contact, public place. If we face any problem, seek medical care. We never touch the mouth, nose, eyes. Never touch any sick animal. Avoid traveling. If need to travel, we maintain distance. It tells about us wear a surgical mask. If you need to go outside of the home, you must be use the surgical mask. Jackfruit is very important fruit in our country. It is our national fruit. In this year, huge production observed in selected area. The fruit contains vitamins and minerals. This picture tells us about preparing the fallow land for cultivation of vegetable. There is one farmer preparing the fallow land with the tractor. This picture tells about the cultivation of vegetable. The farmer preparing the land as bed and set the seeds in the field. This farmer cultivate the banana tree in the fallow land. When we talk with them in July, it is fully fallow land and we suggest them you can cultivate the banana in this place. You can see there is a lot of plant in this place and always there is a shade. So the farmer cultivate the banana in this farmer cultivation of brinjal in this field. This farmer are rearing the domestic animal of cow in home side. This farmer also rearing domestic animal in their home. It tells us about combat cultivation of fish and duck. It is more profitable than single cultivation. This picture tells us about rearing the domestic animal of hens and ducks rearing. The hens rearing in the home side and fish rearing in the pond. Some picture also collected from the online. This picture tells us about lack of input causes product damage. This picture tells about lack of market resulted in food waste in COVID-19 period. This picture tells us about empty market due to COVID-19 threats. This picture tells us about drop in market of agriculture products. We can survive the coronavirus pandemic. Many researchers, scholars, microbiologists are trying to develop vaccine. Best use of the agricultural land, such as the fallow land, home gardening, roadside land are used to cultivate vegetables. It is cover our first objective. The government should take policy about market and all the farmers should maintain this policy. It is cover our second objective. Rearing domestic animal. All the farmers who are contributed in this study, they said that they rear domestic animal. That is cover our third objective. The author acknowledged all the participation of the farmers supported by the parents of the author, colleges and the related field expert professor. The author owe their sincere gratitude to all the helping hand that assist during question preparation. The author also acknowledged the committee member of ICBE to select our abstract for this conference. If we stay home, you will see. So stay home, stay safe. This is all about my presentation. Thank you all for your kind consideration. Thank you very much.